wants this toy? Nobody. Everybody likes that red toy. Here. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Puppies. Here, you want this? No? Okay. Puppy, puppy, puppies. Give it up. Give it up.
Yeah, try to keep them down there, which I know you are because I have the bigger lens on. And when they get close to me, I can't get far enough away from them.
Oh, now you have that toy. That's smart.
But it's actually, they're in perfect frame right now, more or less. Down there is good.
Here. The one's going to get both toys. That one's Marcy's.
That's what I thought.
What's a toy, huh? You're playing shred the toy. Shred the toy. Puppy, puppy, puppies! What? You guys get the tire?